Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to second tutorial of Git. On previous video, we have explained some Git some concepts, like we have 4 different stages, and we talk about some of the basic command like add, commit, and push and pull. On this video, I'm going to talk about something a little bit more advanced. It's like called merge and rebase and the stash and cherry pick, which is the command that we normally use at work. Okay, so before I do anything, let me just create a workspace. Let's make a make a directory called Git Tutorial Advanced, and okay, we are on VS Code now. So before I do anything, I need to have a local storage, local repository. Let's say git init to initial repository. Okay, so I just make couple commit before I start doing some work. I create a file called master, and then let's say m1, and we save our change, and we make a commit message m1, and we make another one. Let's make another one m2, and okay, we have 2 commits now. Let's check that with git log. We have 2 commit m1 m2. Then we actually we don't need to have this command to check or commit. We have a shortcut with the extension called git graph. You guys can download this one. Where's the this git graph? When you have this downloaded, you can see the button on the bottom. So you click that, then you can see the chart, the graph on here. We have like 2 commits, which is like very easier for us to see what's going on with the git log. We have 2 commits, and it shows the commit ID and all details, which is highly recommended. So let's move on to our tutorial today. So first one that I want to talk about is called reset. So like we make 2 commit. What if I don't want this commit m2? I don't want this anymore. So what I can do is I can say git reset, and it's going to be hard reset, and then head 1. So if I run this command, m2 commit should be disappeared. Let's check that. Now as you can see, we only have 1 commit now, and then we'll have commit 1, and the commit 2 is gone now because we reset it. And we're going to use this command often for this tutorial. Okay, and let me make another commit. Let's say m2. Okay, so git add git commit m2. Okay, we have m2 now. And the next one I want to talk about is called tag. Like if we have like a lot of commit, like m1 commit, that is for version 1, so we can add the tag to m1 commit. Like maybe in the future, sometime in the future, we have some problem with the version 1, and we can just straight check out the tag and then straight to m1. So what we can do is we can add tag, say git tag. Let's say the tag, let's say tag name is version 1.1, and you can add the tag message. Let's say this is for version 1, 1 point. Then we add the commit number. We only need to add a few numbers, numbers here. We don't need to add all. So we add the tag here. When we hit enter, as you can see, we have a tag here. Like, well, if we have like thousands commits and we have problem with version 1, we can just straight to the version 1. Like we can git checkout version 1. Just ignore this message. Just say we are not allowed to develop based on this commit, based on this version. We need to create a branch to if you want to carry on to develop or to change. So anyway, so we are on the version 1. Let's check that. As you can see, we are on M1. That's the tag. Okay, let me just move to master. And the next one is like I want to talk about is called merge. Merge is basically like when you develop something like in feature branch, and when you get your function done, you want to on the feature branch you want to merge master branch, see if everything going good. Let me just show you a demo. So for instance, like if I want to check out a branch called feature from version 1, so what I can do is I can do git checkout dash branch. I'm gonna name a branch as a feature and a tag and tag name. So this is basically going to say that I'm gonna have a branch on tag 1. The branch name is feature. Now as you can see, we're on feature branch now, and that's still on version 1 got M1 here. So we're gonna have some development based on feature branch. Like on feature branch now, what we can do is we can have like a file. Let's say I'm gonna get a file called feature txt. Let's say feature 1, save, add the commit. So I'll make the commit name as F1. Let's check on the chart. On the graph, we have a feature 1. But like in the meanwhile, while we are developing developing on feature branch and the master branch, it may be someone still like developing, or someone merge something on master. So let me just make an example. Let's move to master, and we just maybe we'll add a couple commits like M3 git commit. Let's say M3, and we get a M4. Okay, and now we have like on master branch we have M3 and M4, and on feature branch we have one commit called F1. So if we want to carry on, if we want to like merge these two commits from master branch and carry on to develop, what we can do is we can merge master. We can say like git merge master. Let's have this command. Oh no, we are not merge master, we are on master branch. Now we need to change to feature branch. Check out to feature. Okay, we are on feature branch. Now we're gonna merge master branch. Git merge master. So you're gonna have a message. That's the default message saying like merge branch master into feature. So we're gonna stick with that commit as the default. We can use the key called escape and the column WQ, yeah. And now we are on the feature branch, and we want to merge these two commit from master to feature branch. So what we can do is we can get git merge master. When you hit this command, you can see there's a merge branch. It's at the default commit message say merge branch master into features. So I'm gonna stick with this command, this commit. So we can exit, use the key escape and a column and a WQ. Okay, on here we have created another commit. That commit say merge branch master into feature. So what this branch does is that we can see the commit in there, the detail in the commit. And this commit is that conclude the M2, M3, M4. Is that from here M2, M3, and M4. So basically what we just did is just that we combined everything from master branch to our feature branch. Now our feature branch have everything same as master. As you can see on here, we have all messages under features. Okay, that's merge. And the next one I want to talk about is called rebased. Okay, before I gonna show you rebased, let me just reverse. Let me just drop this message and to make this feature branch back to original, which is like on here. So I'm gonna reset that. Okay, we are on here, feature here. So what I want to show you is that rebase. What we can do is like we want to, because we are developing on feature 1, so we want to merge everything from master. So instead of using the command called merge, we can use the command called rebase. Git rebase master. So that's gonna combine everything from master to features. Hey, as you can see here, right? We having a master and the feature, they are on the one line. So the thing we have developed, the commit called MF1, is gonna base on whatever that commit is. We're gonna base on top of master branch. Instead of having one new message, we don't have that new message. With this rebase command, it just made the line is more clear. We don't have the message saying like merge master from feature branch or this and that. We just have this. That's like that's the commit to feature branch. Okay, and of course that rebase has like more functions like rebase interaction. Let's move on, then let's move to next one. And next one I want to talk about is called stash. Let me give you an example. Like maybe you are developing something on feature branch. Let's say you are working on the function, doing something like let's say you are working on function 1, right? But while you're working on this task, there's something come up which is more important. So you don't want to make commit. You want to save that to somewhere else. Then you carry on with your important stuff. So what you can do is that you can to add that to index stage. So what you can do is like git add. So that's an index stage. And then what you can do is I can get git stash, and you can stash this. You can stash. You can hit the git stash. As you can see, that the function 1 is disappeared. It has been stashed. If we see the git graph, as you can see there's a stash. That's the stash that we make function 1. So that git stash, that basically saying like we stop what we are doing temporarily, then we save our work somewhere else. We carry on with the important stuff when we have that done, right? Like for instance, like when we get something done already, so what we can do is that we can get git stash, and with the apply and the stash ID, which is this ID stash at, and curly braces 0. Okay, we want to get it back. So we run this command. As you can see, we get our work back now. Right? And of course you can do stash with the if you want to, you have a name or description about this stash, what you can do is git add to, that's the index stage, then git stash with the stash with the message. Let's say it's just more clear, developing function 1. Let's see the git graph. As you can see, we have like it's an on feature branch developing function 1. Right. So as you can see that earlier we still have our stash, this earlier stash here, because we use the command called apply. So it means apply means like it basically it's like make a copy of the stash that on this stash and apply to our work. But if I use git stash, I use a command called pop, and I'm gonna put this. Let's say it's stash 0, and we use that. We get our work back, and that stash is gone. So if you use pop, and your stash history gonna be disappeared. You don't see your stash list. And if you use apply, you still can see the stash list. That is stash. And the next one I want to talk about is called cherry pick. Okay, let me just for cherry pick, let's say we are on feature branch now, and we have some, we done some function, let's say function A, and we make a commit, commit message, let's say done function 1, done function A. We make function A, we make this commit, and if master branch wants this commit, instead of doing the merge, because if master branch doing the merge or rebase, it's gonna rebase that everything from feature branch, but at the moment master branch only want this commit, this one, only specific this one. And what we can do is we can check our master branch. Now we are on master branch now, and we can do like a git cherry pick with the commit ID. Let's get this ID here, and we hit enter. As you can see, there's a conflicts here, and we can just resolve these conflicts for now. I'll say this is good. Let's say let's use this is conflicts, so we can follow the command here. Let's say git add git cherry pick continue, and the commit name is just, we name that as same name. Let's check our timeline here. As you can see that we have a commit, it's called down function A. That's exactly same as this commit on feature branch, but they are with a different commit ID. So basically that git clone this commit and apply that to master. Okay, so this is cherry pick. Next one I want to talk about is called reverse. So like if I don't want this anymore, what I was using is called git reset. So if you're using git reset, is that you can't track your commit anymore because it's gone, it's disappeared. So what you can do is you can say git revert. So if we want to revert, we just copy this commit from feature to master, and we don't want it anymore, so we can do revert. Let's revert with the ID, or you can just say revert with head. You can revert with head. That's gonna reverse your previous commit. Let's say reverse. Okay, we say revert message. Yeah. As you can see, it make another record here. Make another record. Say reverse down function A. So if we have this message here, we have this commit, we know that we know where to track. Like maybe in some days in the future you want to know what exactly going on, you can like look at the timeline here, and you know that's you make a reverse on function A. Okay, on final one, I want to show you some like I'm gonna reproduce some conflicts, and we try to solve these conflicts. Okay, let's say like we are on master branch now, and we add some function here. Let's say we add something here. Let's say M5. Okay, git add git commit. The commit message be, I'll say the M5. Okay, that's commit M5, which is add something on master file. And now if I change to feature branch, on feature branch now, we are on feature branch now, and on feature branch we also change something on the master file here. So we just say we write F1 here. We make a change on line 5. We say F1. Then we make another commit. Oh, no, let's say instead of like F1, we do that F2. Let's say git add, git commit. We say F2. Okay, let's look at the graph here. So on feature branch, earlier we add the function called done function A. Then after that we just add the commit called F2. On the master branch, we have earlier we cherry pick from feature branch and we reverse that. Then after that we add the commit called F5. So if I want to merge master, that's gonna have a problem, because on the line 5 on the feature branch, it changed something on line 5. On master branch also changed the line 5, so that's gonna cause the problem, and we're gonna reproduce that problem, and then we're gonna solve it. So we can do like git merge master. As you can see, that auto merging master txt, that's a conflict. Let's check our conflicts. As you can see here, that's current changes are on our own feature branch. We made the commit on line 5 is F2, but on master branch, that's it make a change, say M on line 5 too. That's gonna have a problem. So if we want to have our current change, we can stay with F2, like accept current change, or you can accept incoming change. Incoming change is because we merge master, that's incoming change, that's the master. So, or we can keep both. Let's keep both. Let's accept both change. So we have F2 and M1. So we solve the conflicts. Then we're gonna add. Then we're gonna make commit. No, we make add, and we git merge continue. And we have default message, commit message, merge branch master into feature. Okay, we have just get that done. We have merged master branch. Before that happened, we have solved the conflict. Okay, I think I have mentioned quite a bit of like some command that we used in daily work. We mentioned about like tag, how to add tag, how to reset, how to merge, rebase, and the stash. And of course, there's like a more functions. Like for rebase, you have like interactions and how to merge, how to rebase couple commit to one commit, or etc. stuff. And that's it for today's video. I'm gonna keep it simple. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye for now.